If you plan to trade this week, then you need to look at the economic calendar. We have very important news drivers. So let's break it down Monday to Friday, starting off with Monday, January 26th. We actually have no news on this day. When we have a no news day, I like to implement my safety trading protocol because the volatility tends to be less, which means the opportunity tends to be less. The market doesn't tend to move as much, especially when we have heavy news drivers like Wednesday. I want to be extra cautious on Monday. Now, same thing for Tuesday. We have no news, so safety trading protocol. Now that leads me into Wednesday, January 28th. This is the big hitter day. It's FOMC press conference. So what does that mean? It means at 2 p.m. in the afternoon, the Fed is going to announce whether he's cutting the rate, raising it, or leaving it the same, which is a very important news driver at 2 p.m. And then at 2:30 p.m. is the press conference, which can be a very, very volatile time. And this is a very important news driver. So how do I trade on Wednesday when there's FOMC? I personally skip the morning session. I do not trade the morning session. It tends to be very uneventful. And I trade after 2:30 p.m. once the press conference starts. And you can see the market starts to get a little bit easier and more predictable once the volatility slows down. Now, Thursday and Friday are both regular trading protocols. I'm expecting Wednesday, Thursday, Friday to make the main move for the week. So Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, that's when where my focus is. And Thursday, Friday should be pretty calm, easy trading days. Once the FOMC volatility gets injected, Thursday, Friday should be pretty clear with their 8:30 red folders and also offer great opportunity. So if you plan to trade this week, I wish you a wonderful week and take care. Till next time, peace.